Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make a very yummy, tasty, rich and instant sabzi or curry, which I am calling as Shahi Sabzi because it's very rich in taste and it is loved by all. So come, let's see how to make it. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you click the bell icon to receive notifications of all the upcoming yummy recipes. So let's quickly run through the ingredients and then we'll look at the process. So here these ingredients I have mentioned in the description box as well. Just one thing I want to bring to your notice is the malai that I have taken is skimmed from the milk. After boiling the milk we get the malai, right? That is the malai that I'm using here. And also, to make it more royal, more rich in taste, what you can do is you can add some chopped and roasted cashews to this. So we'll start by heating some ghee in a pan. Once it is heated properly, to this we'll add some Hing or Asafoetida powder, then some cumin seeds, and we'll let the seeds splutter. So once the spluttering starts, to this we'll add chopped onion and we'll roast it for a few minutes till it becomes translucent. Make sure you stir it occasionally or else the onions will burn. Then to this we'll add chopped tomatoes and then some salt so that the tomatoes get cooked quickly and they'll cook very well. From the back of your spoon, just pat the tomatoes a bit so that they get well combined with the onions. Now we'll add all the spices to it. Make sure to mix the spices very well, and then we'll add tomato ketchup and again mix it well. So before adding the cream, at this point of time you can also add some roasted cashew nuts to give it a rich taste. Now to this we'll add our main ingredient, that is our cream or malai, and then we'll add some milk. After adding this milk, just stir it well and let the curry come to a boil. We'll cook this curry for around 5 minutes on low heat, and make sure you stir the curry occasionally or else the cream will get burnt as it sticks to your pan. So one more thing, always take a heavy bottom pan when making this curry. And now it's like almost done, and we'll pour it into a bowl, serving bowl. Garnish it with some coriander. If you want, you can garnish it with some cream as well. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.